to learn one last big topic in the world of props. And, okay, here's what I want to do. I was going to explain it, but no, this is what we do. I want to take each of those different components that we just put together and wrap them in a sort of user card, right? Where we show the single comment and add a friend button. So we're going to do some thinking about the best way to wrap each of our comments with some additional little card and a button underneath of it. And there's actually a really easy way to do this. We could absolutely open up that app component right here and add a little bit more JSX to this thing to show that kind of outline for this card-looking thing. Remember, the ultimate goal here is to introduce you to one last big idea in the prop system. So, we're not going to change our single comment component. Instead, we're going to create a new component called user card, and user card component is going to show this kind of outline around it with an add friend button. So now when we make the user card, we're not going to always show an instance of a single comment. And I want to tell you why. Because if we were building an application that had this type of interface right here of like a comment with a add friend button, it's entirely possible that we might want to reuse this user card component and just have like a white box with a add friend button underneath of it, but have a completely different content inside of it. So as you can see right here, we have the same add friend button, but completely different content in there. So we're going to put the user card together as a separate component. And we want to make sure that we can somehow show the single comment component inside of it. But we don't want to always show the single comment every single time when we use it. So that's the goal, and that's what we're going to try to do. So I'm going to wait right here for you to work it out on your own. Nah, I wouldn't do that to you. Let's just take a break, and in the next section, we're going to start putting together that user card.